We got a box in the mail today. Here is our Weilisi ring light review. My name is Mighty Mike. Welcome to this review. We had a Neewer ring light, 18-inch, very popular on Amazon, best-selling probably, or one of the best sellers, but this light is starting to catch up. So welcome to our unboxing video here on YouTube. This is heavy, sturdy. One of the things I like already is that look at how much real estate that takes up compared to having to get around this. Power adapter. I don't care for the ones that plug into the USB port of your laptop or computer. Looks like for your cell phone, a holder. And then that's it. These are all the pieces that came in the box. Time to assemble all of this. Doesn't look too difficult. All right, so we screwed in the pole clockwise, and now it says just to pull this up. Okay, so it does come out. It's not that easy to pull out, but it does come out when you pull and use a little bit of force. Let's see, when you pull it up, okay, let's put it on the ground. All right, just following the directions that we put the light on, which is fairly easy to assemble. And I do have it open all the way, and it's right next to the Neewer. So the Weilisi is 64 inches all the way to the top, and that was easy to put on. And then this one here, the Neewer, looks like it's almost at the same angle, maybe a little bit taller, because it does have a bigger face, a bigger head. But as you can see, one of the reasons coming in and out of this room, which has a lot of traffic, this stand got in the way. I like how this stand is a little more user-friendly. So we have the back, and this goes right in here, the plug. Plugged it in the wall. The cord did go in. It did take a little bit of forcing. I had to take it off the stand, but it's in now. And then here is the on and off. So, ooh, we have light, folks. That is a bright light, I must say. Now there is a bright switch on here, key light, right? And then you also have how much? 2700 to 6500K, and it was all the way up at the top. Tilt's pretty easy right here, and here we have this light on topic. We have a bank bag that we're going to be shooting. We're resellers on eBay, and I don't see a reflection at all on the wood, and that is a huge plus for reselling because I would get a glare with the other one. Two of the reasons that we went with the Weilisi instead of another Neewer ring light is because there's less glare on your subjects and on my glasses. Now, when I look straight into the lights like that, you can see that there is some glare. This light is less bulky and cumbersome than the Neewer light with the stand. I love that very heavy round stand. It was easy to put the pole in there, and lifting it up was a little bit trickier, but it does seem pretty sturdy, like it's not going to fall down. When we made this video, it was September 2024, and the reason we had to buy a new light is our power switch just gave out and it didn't work anymore, and I couldn't turn it on or off, so we had to buy a new light. We got 3 years out of this light. We bought it in 2021. We were happy with it. Actually, the cord's pretty long. I read a review online that the cord wasn't that long, but that's not bad from here to the wall. All right, so you have a remote here, on and off, and it looks like you can dim it and do different settings of the light. It did not come with the AAA batteries. Fortunately, we do have some. We'll try them out later. I don't usually toy with the lighting too much. This has an iPhone, a phone stand for your phone. We don't use that feature either. It's a phone holder. And then this looks like a remote. You take pictures. It's 13 inches from side to side. So that's a pretty big size light. It's not as big as the Neewer was. I believe that was 18 inches, but this will definitely work for what we have here with our reseller business, our eBay store, and also with vlogging. From what I can see, so far, so good. I am impressed with this light, the Weilisi. It has good lighting. I'm looking at it right now in my Osmo Pocket 3, and I can't wait to use it for vlogging. I can't wait to use it for reselling. Overall, I'm impressed. This light seems to be very easy to use, to adjust, to turn on and off, and to even maneuver up and down. After I did it a couple times, I kind of got the hang of it, and you just hold on to the bottom and then you pull up or push down, whatever the case may be. But yes, for the convenience and being able to set it up in a hurry and be able to tear it down and be able to store it, I have a very much on the go kind of pace. I'm on the go all the time. So to have a light that I can get out, turn off, and get ready to go for the next shoot or for the next, if I'm shooting, if I'm reselling or whatever I'm doing, this is a very good light. And I love that it does not take up a lot of real estate. I like it. I'm really impressed with the Weilisi, and I can't wait to use it for our eBay online store, reselling, and also for vlogging on our YouTube channel. Hey, if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to give us a follow and bop that like button. In the meantime, I'm Mighty Mike. Thanks for watching. Till next time, happy picking, everybody. Bye-bye.